Hello my Atlanteans! If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am a doll collector and I like to unbox dolls, play with dolls, and sometimes I like restyle dolls, but it's been a while. But anyways, thank you so much Claire for clicking onto this video because today's video is super exciting. As y'all know, so far I have, at the time of this recording, I have all of the Creep productions, and since we've gotten the Creep productions, we've gotten these black and white versions of them, and I do actually have all of them. I'm just not planning on making an unboxing video for those ones, just because I have a personal deep appreciation for the Universal monsters and like what they represent, blah blah blah. So like I want to keep those dolls in the boxes, so I won't be unboxing those. However, guys, so today I went grocery shopping and I was actually searching for birthday presents. However, I found a little something that encouraged me to make this video. I did actually find Real Drama Frankie, my absolute favorite one out of all of them, for $20. For $20 Canadian, and for most of the world that might be a little much. For us, it's quite a steal, so I absolutely had to get this one. And we're gonna unbox it today. So this is the Real Drama Frankie Stein. This is what she looks like. A lot of you know that they are basically honing in on the idea of like Universal monsters. They're the movies that they're based off of, so they did a black and white version, as you can see. However, there is the blue accents in the hair to give us the sense of, I think the blue is really cute. So yeah, so this is what the box looks like, guys. I'm about to open this up, I'm so excited. So this is what the box looks like. As you can see, we have Frankie right in the middle there with all of her accessories around her. And it does say at the top here that there is a poster inside that I'm really excited to get into. I really hope it's there. Okay, and then here you can see you have the film strips. Yeah, the film strips with images of Frankie, and it says Frankie Stein. And then you have the flashing lights on either side of her. Then on the sides, you have, to kind of go with the black and white film idea, we're going like Art Deco kind of, and on the side you have these Art Deco inspired spider webs to kind of look like the skyscrapers and stuff that you might find in Art Deco type of art. And then on the bottom you have the regular stuff, and then on the back we have a full image of Frankie Stein. You can see it's not only the hair, it is the eyeballs as well. Frankie has one green eyeball and one blue eyeball, so for this version they gave her one light and one dark blue eyeball. And I will be using she, her pronouns because this is the G1 Frankie, in which she uses she, her pronouns. And it says, totally shocking. Frankie Stein is stitched with style and the school is ready to make sparks and limbs fly, as Frankie would. So before I get into it, I do want to say that usually I do not have doubles of dolls. This is actually the only double I have, I think, off the top of my head. And I love her a lot, which is why we have a double. And also, if it weren't for that price, I wouldn't have had a double. Not that there's anything wrong with people who collect dolls and collect doubles, it's just that that's not for me personally. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and open her up and we're gonna take a closer look at her. So I just got Frankie out of the box. She's so cute. She looks like me. Okay, so let's get into the things that she actually comes with. So first things first, the poster. I've seen a couple people keep the poster in the box and like display it like that, which I think is really smart, because like in that way the poster will never get destroyed. Because this is my double, I will be taking out this poster. Let's take a look. Ooh, okay, this is nice paper. Okay, so here is what the poster fully looks like. Beautiful, 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 gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is going on my horror wall. So yes, we have Frankie stepping out of the paper background with What's It. She has her hair flowing everywhere. I love the Frankenstein pose. Frankie's name all the way at the bottom. This is just so gorgeous and I'm so happy I have this. I think this is actually work by Darko Dark. I know that at the time of filming this, he hasn't been working at Mattel. So yeah. This is something I will treasure as a piece of art from them. And then of course we do have the classic stand and base. This time the base is silver, just as original Frankie's was. Then we have a clear / see-through clip and stem for the stand here. So that is what that looks like. Very basic, but it does the job. This is actually the blueprint for a lot of doll stands nowadays. It does actually also come with a tiny version of that poster, which I think is really fun and whimsical, kind of meta. You can put this up in your Monster High home. Have this displayed for movie night or something. I don't know, but this is really cute. I love this. Next, she doesn't come with a lot, okay guys? But she does come with What's It. So this is really nice to see. Ooh, this is messing with my white balance on my camera. As you can see, this is what What's It looks like. He's so cute. He looks just like the original What's It, except in black and white. Very nice, very cool. Yes, very happy to have him around. Last but not least, here is what Frankie looks like. And ooh, okay, so I haven't seen Guillermo del Toro's Frankenstein yet, but this is the doll that I will be taking with me. Thank you very much. So, guys, Frankie Stein's my favorite character. Okay, she's my favorite in G1. She's my favorite in... They are my favorite in G3. Even in Gen 2, they were slaying. So I really, really like this character. So I have a lot of emotions for this. But yeah, this is basically the original Frankie, but in black and white and with long, long ass hair. Like, I didn't even realize how long it was. Okay, guys, so this is what she looks like. Here is her makeup and her eyes. Very pretty, very cute. You can see that all the features are still there, just made in black and white. The earrings are black and white as well, but I love the little skelet kind of hanging down. We got the classic neck bolts in perfect silver. And then here we have the little lapels, the little collar. One is sticking up in classic Frankie style. Oh, just the classic dress, so cool to see in black and white. There has been a black and white Frankie, as most of you know. It's just so cool to have a version of the black and white Frankie in my own hands. That's just so fun. Oh, and we do have the bracelet. Very complete. And then if we go down here, this is what her legs look like in black and white. Her skin is definitely gray. Like a very much a gray type of tone. Like it's not green at all. And then here we have the classic shoes. Like they weren't gonna be changed. They were already black and white anyway. And then here we have the gorgeous flowing locks. Very long, but very high quality. I can already feel that there's gonna be a lot of fallout here. Like, yeah guys, I literally just pulled that out. But yeah, it's really nice. Like once you boil this, ooh, girl, that's gonna be good. She does have the original articulation, so head, arm, but it does stick out. She does do the A pose, just like the newer Monster High dolls do in the Gen 1 bodies. For some reason, they like to stick out like that. The belt that we have, this is the classic skirt. I think the pre-production one is still shorter than this one, but it's complete. It has the mesh underneath as well, which is really good. I feel like if you are a horror fan or like a Frankie Stein type of person, you would like this type of doll would be so good for you. Oh, and I just realized, I mean, I don't know if that was kind of the point, but the blue streaks are only on either side of the head, kind of here. I think that's very much Bride of Frankenstein, which I think is really cool. But there's also like two up here, so maybe not. But yeah, guys, okay, so this video is like a little short. This one was a little short, but thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to kind of show off that I found this while grocery shopping in the clearance section. Who returned her? I'm really glad I have her. I'm actually supposed to be getting ready to go to a birthday party, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. she's coming with me. Very excited for it. But yeah, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Oh, I love her. I think I might repaint her face so it would look like the original black and white Frankie, and I might put new hair in for her. We'll see, guys. We'll see. But yeah, okay. I keep saying thank you. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I do obviously love her, and I'm honestly so privileged to have found her in a Walmart for $20 because I know that there's people out there that are scouring the internet for these particular dolls. So I will say I'm just really glad that I have her at all, and I'm really glad that I was able to get a double because like that was such a lucky find for me, I think. But yeah, guys, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and hit me up at the links in my description. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.